Hello guys, welcome to Microscope. Today we are discussing about dark field microscope. Here main two headings are there, principles and application. Regarding the principle, the object appears bright against a dark background. That is the principle used here. For this purpose, a special dark field condenser is used. This dark field condenser has a central opaque area and peripheral annular hollow areas. This central opaque area blocks the light from entering the objective lens directly, and the peripheral annular hollow area allows the light to pass and focus on the specimen obliquely. Whereas in normal condenser or the condenser used in bright field microscopy, it's transparent. Next point, only the light reflected by the specimen enters the objective lens. That's what happening in the dark field microscopy. And as a result, the specimen is brightly illuminated against a dark background. But in bright field microscopy, the both reflected and unreflected light pass through the objective. Regarding the applications of dark field microscope, it is used to identify the living unstained cells, and it is also used to identify thin bacteria like spirochetes, which cannot be visualized by the light microscopy.